Hello, I'm Chris. My journey at L'Oreal started back in Carnegie Mellon when I was at college and was playing football. I got a call for an internship from L'Oreal and said, you know what, I should probably check this company out. And I went in for the interview, I took a tour of the manufacturing facility and I was just blown away at the people, the automation. It made me see that this is a company that, you know, would provide a lot of challenge and stimulation. I work now in a role in New York in development where I'm in charge of consumer products division for all of the makeup category. So I work first with the global marketing teams, then with the zone marketing teams, with research and innovation, with purchasing, with packaging, and finally with the plants to make the concepts that marketing comes up with come to fruition in reality. As an engineer at L'Oreal, you have the opportunity to work on your own ideas, one of which was Baby Lips. This was a product that Maybelline New York wanted to launch, and what was so unique about this product was it was budgeted to only do a few units in the year, and it grew over 500% over the first 2 years. So we had the opportunity in the plant to really figure out where else can we keep up with this production. So we bought a new line, and this was a fantastic team effort to figure out how to run as much Baby Lips as possible. I was able to sponsor a team who met together and we designed a brand new 100 piece per minute line that was for the first in the group. This line was not only as efficient as possible, but also had the lowest impact on the environment, shooting for zero waste. When I wake up every day and why I enjoy going to work at L'Oreal is because I get the opportunity to grow in my career, have many different experiences, work in different places with many different people, and go from the technical aspect of being an engineer to someone who's able to lead a team and lead a business and drive growth for the future of L'Oreal.